Guys, welcome back to next tips. On today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to make 400 USD from this survey website, and I'm going to be showing you proof and how you too can make the same amount on this particular video. So all you're gonna do is to watch this video from the beginning to the ending, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to be able to get notified once we post video. This survey website, all you have to do is to give the website your time and make sure you survey, and you're going to be getting paid direct to your account or your PayPal. So I'm going to be showing you evidence from this particular website and how much I've withdrawn and how you too can make the same amount. So guys, as you can see right here, you can see how much I've withdrawn from this particular website. I've withdrawn 417, which is $400 total, and the $17 was just for charges which they took from the amount, and I don't mind because I didn't pay any dime on this particular website. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to get paid exactly this amount on this particular website. So you're going to be going to your Chrome if you have a Chrome, or you can use any other browser depending on your choice. So you can use either PC or your mobile phone to survey on this website. Okay, so the website name is ysense, and all you have to do is to create an account. To create an account is very seamless. You need email and just your password. So before we dive in on this ysense survey website, I want to advise you, not every website you guys see on YouTube, TikTok, or other platform that you're going to click on. The first thing to do is to make sure you verify the source of this particular website, maybe using web checker. I'm going to be listing them on this video description site that you can use to check the website source and know if the website is genuine to go through them or not. Okay, so not every site you see online are paying or legit. Some of them are scams. Okay, so now once you have an account on this ysense, it's going to take you to a page like this, just like mine. Or if you don't have a page just like mine, there is a hover menu here. Just click on it. You're going to be seeing a survey. Okay, you're going to be seeing two options, which is your complete surveys and history. Your history is going to show you a survey that you have already surveyed. Okay, and this is a new account which I just created for the purpose of this video. So here you can create multiple accounts. You can have much account as you can, and then here you just click on this complete survey right here. Okay, and you wait for the page to load, and here you're going to be having a lot of surveys for every minute. Okay, so you can see here this survey is just 5 minutes. It's going to take me 5 minutes to complete this survey, and I'm going to be making $0.05. Okay, and the history about this particular website and how you get paid is you're going to survey businesses, add the review of businesses, and give them review if the business is bad, depending on the type of business which they post on their website. You're going to review them, give them review, and you're going to be getting paid. Okay, that is how this particular website works. Okay, you're going to make some research how survey website works before you can go through them. So what you're going to do is just to click on the page. Okay, click on that page that showed your amount. Okay, so you understand that. I agree. You can read these terms and conditions if you have the time. Okay, so you're going to ask you some questions. I'm going to be adding that here. So you add your dates, right, and that's all. So you continue, and the next page is going to ask you if you're a male or female. You're going to answer that. So guys, actually sorry I called that page because it's just 5 minutes. I have to make this video very short so that you can understand how it works. So once you're done surveying, that part is actually simple to survey. It will take you just 5 minutes and you're done. Once you're done surveying, you can see here I'm done surveying my own, and it says congratulations, you just earned $0.05. Okay, your cash fast this member feel right. Okay, so once you're done completing that, you're going to be having $0.05 to your account. Click on that the ysense logo to go back to the menu, to the home of this website. So let me go back. So I'm back right now. I'm going to click on the history right here. So I'll wait for that to load. So you can see the history. You can see I've earned $0.05. I told you this is going to take you 3 days to make actually the same amount I made. So you're going to be surveying. You have to survey. Okay, you're going to be taking your time to survey on this particular website. So here I'll go back to survey, complete survey. So once I go back, I'm going to be waiting. I have to wait for other survey to come up. Okay, you can see right here I have $1.20, okay, to survey. Once I survey this particular page, this particular one right here that have like 5-star, I'm going to be having $1.20 to my account. With the other one I already have, and you can see here different amounts. This one is $0.46 and this one is $0.10, $0.50, and rest. Okay, so if you have time, once you're done with this survey, you're going to be having at least total of $5 to your account, right? And the next page, you're going to be surveying and you're going to be accumulating a lot of dollars to your account. Okay, so I told you that I'm going to be making this video as short as possible. So once you're done surveying, I'm going to show you guys how to withdraw your money to straight to your account. Okay, you can use PayPal or you can use your own account. So guys, before you can cash out your amount from this particular survey website, I'm going to be showing you how to search if a website is legit or not. So the first thing to do, the easiest way I do it, is to just copy the link of the website and go to my ChatGPT, which is the best way to search if your website is legit. Just paste the link straight to ChatGPT right here. So you can click and hold and ask if the website is legit. Okay, just keep your prompt that way. So you wait for ChatGPT to analyze the website and answer if the website is legit. Okay, so you can see that ChatGPT has given us explanation if the website is legit or not. And what ChatGPT does is to scrap out information from websites and know if it's legit or not. So you can see right here that ChatGPT said is legit. And what do people say about this particular website? If you scroll right here, you can see that what users are saying, that is real experience from users. It is a real site that pays, but around $3 hour. Okay, so that's enough for you to know that this particular website is very, very legit. I myself have testified it. I'm just showing you guys how to check if a website is legit or not. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to receive your payout immediately you are done surveying. So I'm going to be showing that right now. You can receive your payout maybe from gift card or straight to your wallet, depending on your country. So let me do that for you. Cash out from this particular website, all you have to do is to just click on the menu right here, and you're going to see cash out from here. Just click on the cash out, and I told you guys you have many options to withdraw your amount from this particular website depending on your location. Okay, so here you can cash out maybe from a gift card, which I did. You can cash out from a gift card and sell the gift card to be able to have your own currency. So if you are from UK, US, you can use PayPal to cash out from this particular website. If you have any issue concerning cashing out from this particular website, you can just drop that on the video comment section. I'll direct you on how to cash out from this particular website. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and join our Telegram channel. Okay.